Essential steps to becoming a successful content creator. Successful content creators come in all shapes and sizes. You don't need to be an experienced writer or have a degree in marketing to become one, either. Whether you want to make money through blogging, creating videos, or writing ebooks, these 5 essential steps will help you get started on the path towards success. Figure out your niche. What kind of content are you most passionate about creating? Do you love cooking, beauty tutorials, or travel? Consider what makes you unique and find a subject you know well. Create great content. Once you've found your niche, it's time to start making content. Use various forms of media to engage your audience, such as video, audio, or written content. Build an engaged community. Finding a supportive and dynamic community is one of the best ways to ensure success as a content creator. Share your content on social media platforms like Instagram and YouTube and join relevant Facebook groups or Twitter chats. Stay consistent. Consistently creating content is the key to success. You need to post regularly to stay relevant and build an audience. Promote yourself. Don't be afraid to promote your content. Reach out to influencers, bloggers, and other platforms where you can share your work. The more eyes on it, the more exposure you'll get. With these 5 essential steps, anyone can become a successful content creator. All it takes is dedication and hard work. So give it a shot and make your mark on the world of content creation. Do you want to be successful in the investment industry too? One important thing to consider when investing in any investment is security. In cryptocurrency investments, investing in a hardware wallet is the best way to protect your assets. Hardware wallets store your private keys offline, which makes them secure and virtually impossible to hack. Out of the numerous options for hardware wallets, here's one tool we recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and its content. Learn more. Ledger wallets are the top choice for cryptocurrency users looking to keep their digital assets safe. With strict safety measures in place, there's no risk of compromise during transmission, so you can trust that your money is secure. Invest with confidence and check out Ledger wallets today. To know the truth about social media coordinators, check out our previous video.